Hello and welcome back. Okay, since our last video, I have installed 3 more agents, so we now have a total of 4. What I'm gonna do now is create my first end-to-end network performance test. So let's start with proactively testing the quality of my voice over IP traffic between 2 remote sites. So let's choose 30 seconds duration, add a network traffic and the voice over IP template between Orlando and Santa Clara, for example. As you can see, built-in tests and threshold profiles are already made available for you. We can easily customize this later if you want to. So let's inject real-time QoS marking and select the codec. And don't forget to have a full duplex session. Now we have our test made, we can execute it manually or we can also schedule it because we want to have a proactive, regular, active testing in place. So let's choose every 10 minutes up to the 30th of June 2019 and validate. That's it.